Another Zenler FBH. So in this FBH what we're looking at is ordering courses. So these are individual courses and you can see these are out of order. I want 1 to be first, then 2, then 3. So we go into the admin section of your site and go to courses here. You can see we can reorder the courses. So we get reorder the courses. I'm going to just simply drag this up and then come and refresh the page. And you can see now our courses are in order. Right, let's show you how to add a bundle and how we can change the order of that as well. So I have 3 courses set up here and I'm going to go to bundle, and inside here I'm going to create bundle. So I'm going to call this all courses. This can contain whatever you like in there, and I'm going to go and create that bundle, and then I'm going to go and add the courses to it. So if we go in here, I'm going to add these 3 courses to it. Let's do 1, let's do 2, and let's do 3, like so. Okay, let's now publish this bundle and have a look at the page and see where it goes. I'm going to refresh the page. You can see I've got all courses, but I don't want all courses to appear here. I want it to appear at the end. So how do I do this? Well, if I go back into courses, you can see I've only got the 3 courses. So how do I reorder that bundle? This can be a little bit of a problem. So what I found as a workaround, what you can do is you can take one of the courses, and we're going to take this course here and we're going to clone it. And we're going to basically call it course 4 in this case. This is going to be deleted out. This is just a way of getting this to work. So I'm going to do course 1, course 4, and I'm going to click update. Okay, so now when we go back to our courses page and we can see that that's in here, I'm going to click the reorder button. And inside here now I have all courses. So I'm going to drag this down to the bottom, and we're going to delete this in a second, and I'm going to drag this all courses to the bottom. I'm going to come back into courses and I'm going to delete this course 4, which we don't need and it's not part of the course. I'm going to delete that out. I'm going to click put in here delete me as the safety feature for deleting the course. And now that will have gone in there, and now you can see that we go to the page and click this, then you're going to see all courses is at the bottom. So you might not have to create that extra course. You might get the all courses to appear in here, but this, it has taken in all courses, which is a bundle. So you can actually reorder from inside here, even though you can't see the bundle. When you go to the reorder area here, the bundle will appear and you can drag it down into position that you want to. So this is how you can reorder. We've had a lot of questions on reordering courses and specifically bundles which do not appear in here, or you might not think they appear in here. Sometimes you need to jog it by creating that extra course and then deleting it out just so that this appears inside here. Okay,